Hi traders, Yuri is here with weekly Forex forecast for the weeks ahead from 6th of March till 10th of March. So guys, before I start the video, please thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and click notification bell in order to get my videos as soon as I release it. And in this video you will know the forecast for major currency pairs as well as for gold, Dow Jones and Brent. Okay, let's get started. EURUSD as always and usual, we start from this pair, weekly time frame. So on the weekly you can see a small correction to the upside. It was expected, to be honest, and I presume I mentioned it in my previous week analysis after this sell-off. So now we are in slight correction. Let's move to the daily. On the daily you can see, to be honest, nothing really happening, just consolidation, possible correction a little bit further up to 1.08, because Dow Jones is in correction phase as well, and stay tuned to get my analysis on Dow Jones. So possible here, yeah, correction, and then we can expect next leg down to the downside, and finally to break through this supporting level 1.05 and further to the downside. So as usual, we can use FIBA correction tool just to get an idea. So at least you can see at least 50% correction possible. We can expect up to, indeed you see it's in line with resistance level, almost in line, yeah. So we can expect the price will go here and then just wait for price action signal, and based on price action just go. On the other hand, correction could not be so strong, and possible we will go to the downside in the beginning of the week. But anyway, just wait, see what happened in the few days of the beginning of the week, like Monday, Tuesday, and also wait for my daily forecast. And I will try to release on daily. Last week I did it once, but maybe next week it will be twice, or we'll see what happens, if will be some good price action signal when I release it more often. So yeah, it's key levels are the same. Resistance is here 1.08 and the crucial one is 1.1, and support is, medium support is here 1.05 and then 1.04. So still idea is, trading idea is still the same, just sell correction to the upside on strengths, and that's it. For the moment, no any price action signals. This one actually didn't work. As you can see, I mark it on my chart. It's like pin bar, but it was not a good one because it's already at the end of the movement. Yeah. So compared to this one, yeah, this one is good. This pin bar and this pin bar, because it's at a key point in the market, it's key resistance. So after it was downward, then correction, little bit correction, and then next leg. But this one is not good already, because you can assume it's in the end of this movement, and from risk reward point of view it's not favorable for traders. Yeah. So that's why I always highlight that just wait for correction and then wait for price action signal and enter the market, because here you will get more favorable risk reward ratio compared to this one, for instance, because we are under the key support level. Okay, let's move on. GBPUSD, next pair. On GBPUSD you can see second week in a row we have this kind of shape of the candle on the weekly. It's not so volatile. It's still like I should say it's consolidation. If you can switch to the daily, actually on the daily it was nice pin bar. I posted on my Telegram channel. If you are not subscribed yet, join my Telegram channel. Find the link in the description of the below this video and join me on Telegram as well. So I posted this signal. Actually, I was sold on based on this price action signal on this pin bar. I sold it on next day after correction to the upside, and then I closed the positions. Just one position I closed on this day, and the another one I sold on Thursday as well. And on Friday you can see it was correction to the upside. Actually, finally we didn't broke through this level 1.20, but Friday it's not so informative, guys. To be honest, always on Friday it's like low volumes, and yeah, we're still fighting for around this level 1.20. It's crucial one. You can see a lot of like fakey already was around this level, like here for instance it was fakey, here as well. You can see every time we reach this level we cannot close below. I mean on the weekly basis at least, yeah. Always you see go down, go up, go down, go up, but I believe sooner or later we will gonna break it through. It's just now market makers doing their things. They just collecting stop losses, you know, because every time you think, okay, we're gonna down, but oops, we're gonna up again. And here it was the same, we're gonna up. We just show you, okay, we hold this level, but then it's correction to the downside, and they sucks all the stop losses as well. But anyway, trend is down. And on the weekly, on the monthly time frame as well, and on the daily. So just wait. Pullback can be up to 1.22. Who knows? But again, we can use Fibonacci, Fibo levels. Just like I would put it like this, and assumption. Okay, 50% correction. The same picture as EURUSD. Yeah, it's around. On EURUSD, it's around 1.18 as far as I remember. Let's just double check. Oh no, well, it's 1.08, not 18, 08. And on GBPUSD it's 1.22. But it's almost identical, I mean the technical picture, yeah. So here the level, so it's key resistance 1.22, and this is for the moment key support 1.20. And again, trade idea is to sell on the strengths, and based on price action possible around this level. Yeah, just wait, guys, and be patient. So let's switch to Aussie as well. Correction, small candle, positive one, but anyway it's not make some changes in my outlook for AUDUSD. It's in bearish market, you can see, and again it's just hovering around this level, support level 0.67. Nothing happening, just consolidation, small candles. And one of my subscribers from US, I believe, he left the comments, but he did very well. He always sell on the strengths, and maybe it was like, you know, how it's called. He's understood he is trading during the day, like scalping, yeah. Not a good method, of course, but it's better to wait for good price action signal, for instance, like this. Yeah, you see it was sell, then correction, and then we got a signal on the market. It's not able to close above this resistance 0.70, and then it was sell-off. So that's why I always encourage guys and traders and newbies especially to switch to high time frame, and you will got clear picture about what's going on, and less stressful trading. It's not like intraday, but of course it's up to you. It's all individual. Yeah, you can choose whatever trading strategy you have, and if you're successful, it's okay. We are all different, yeah. But anyway, I'm explaining price action method, just without indicators, based on technical picture, only on candles, and that's it, and on trends and the levels. So here we can also expect some correction to the upside, up to probably 0.68, and here we can wait for price action signal. Also, it's usually, yeah, once we broke this level, we can expect, okay, knock knock to the door, trying to go up, and then again sell off, but of course based on price action only, guys. Here is the support 0.67, the same, it is the resistance 0.6850 roughly. No price action yet. My trading idea is to sell on strengths. Okay, let's switch to USDJPY. USDJPY, it's also small bearish candle on the weekly in some correction after this run to the upside. Yeah, it was already a lot of pips, so price now is gonna to have some break. Yeah, just possible correction down to 144. So, and you remember I projected this ascending channel, but possible just not so good, and just need to wait what's going on. If it will be, for instance, price going here, and from this point we're gonna to the upside, then I of course do some redo this channel, because it was just my forecast based on current picture, which 1 week ago, but it was just, let's say, a guess, because you don't know, yeah, where will be the point from which the channel I can build the good channel and correct one, but this was just an attempt. Yeah. So anyway, the trend is bullish, so we can expect, as just mentioned, some correction from this point to next to the upside to break through 136.70 level. So this is support, nearest one, 134, and this is the key resistance so far. No price action yet as well, for no buying opportunity yet. Even this one, yeah, as I told, after such run we can expect weakness, yeah, correction. So this is what we now seems like it started, yeah, already. Let's switch to the gold. Gold actually doing very good. It's close above this level 1830, which I mentioned in my weekly forecast, and I told you I was bearish, but until the moment, if we're gonna close above this level, then the next target is 1900, and I put here the ascending channel. You can see it's nicely done. It's a ascending channel, it's a top, it's a bottom, and here we had a good signal. It's a pin bar, buying opportunity. Yeah, you can see this one, it's a pin bar, good one from the bottom of the channel, and then next day we broke through 1830. First day was actually nothing is happening. You see very small candle, this one, this black one. And on Friday it's okay, yeah, it's a continue run, and next target 1800. I would recommend to buy based on like current price action and what's going on. Maybe it will be some correction to the downside here, and then again to the upside. So yeah, it's resistance is 1900, and support, first support 1830, and key support 1800. Okay, let's move on, guys. Dow Jones also in correction. Good candle. It's a bullish one, but anyway, for me it seems like just a correction, nothing more. After such sell-off, we can expect this one, no doubt about this, and the up to 33,500 at least. And to get an idea, I take my FIBO retracement, and you can see 50% will be indeed just above this level, resistance level 33,500, and then the next one 33,700. So yeah, we can expect in the beginning still continue based on this strength. It's a nice free candle in a row, and then we just need to wait again for price action signal, sell signal. This pin bar is not good because just explained in the previous pair, it's at the end of the run. Also from a risk-reward point of view, it's not favorable for us, so we just ignore it. We don't take such. Even though you can see price was, after this pin bar, price was in the downside, but then it's come back to the uptrend. So now it's small correction, but and I just mentioned from this level or this level we can expect, and just wait for price action signal based on the daily, on 4-hour time frame as well. So yeah, key support is here around 32,800. It was not broke on the weekly time frame. Yeah, it was. My assumption was we broke it, but it's not happened yet. Just not time, but we wait for the next week. And so resistance is here, just mentioned 33,500 and then 33,700. And finally we switch to the BRENT oil, and oil is good, they're doing very well. I mentioned yet that just we need to wait to break through this 84 level. It happened and closed on the weekly basis, close above, and so next target is 90. And you can see here on Friday it was good pin bar, buy signal. To be honest, yeah, you can assume this candle as a price action signal for buying opportunity, so we can wait, for instance, retracement down to this tail, and then buy with the idea to going back to 90. This is a NAD. As I explained before, yeah, you can see the price was in correction, then it's FIBO from monthly time frame was correction, and from this level we just slowly but surely we go into the upside. You can see every time it's higher, higher, high. It's like a low, high, low, 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 high, low, low, low. It's not low, high, but anyway, low, low. In next leg we can expect going through the 90 level. But who knows, guys, it's just analysis. Yeah, just treat my videos as learning opportunity, just studying. It's not a trading advice anyway, and full disclaimer you can read below my video. So just to be clear, it's not trading signals whatsoever. It's just for educational purposes only. Just don't complain, okay? So the resistance is here 90, and support 84, 79 and 75. It's a crucial one. So that's it, guys, with weekly Forex analysis for the weeks ahead from March 6th till March 10th. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for your time. Please thumbs up, leave a comments below, subscribe, join me on my social media. All the links in the description below. I wish you good trading, guys, next week. Stay safe, stay tuned, and until next time, bye.